What is the first thing what you do when you enter a building? You look with your eyes. But do you also use your ears? In this video I will explain that what you hear is just as important as what you see. Hello, my name is Pascal van Dort, working at Rockfon as Global Acoustics Ambassador. It is my passion to create spaces that help people living healthy and happy lives. And I will take you on a journey where you can experience sound, noise and acoustics. And today we're going to explore a remarkable museum in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. And if you want to learn more about acoustics and how it influences interior design, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button or press on the hashtag Sounds Beautiful here at the bottom. Okay, let's go! In a regular museum you have artwork on the wall, but not in this one. This museum, you are the creator of the art. It's a social media experience where it's all about you. That's why it's called Youseum. So let's go and check it out. And don't forget to stick around until the end of this video, because you will have the possibility of winning free entrance tickets to this fabulous museum. And this museum is the perfect location to experience how interior design influences the indoor acoustic environment. Because interior design and architecture is not only what you see, it's also what you hear. We live in a fast and visual world. The word Instagrammable is already something you can find in a dictionary. And that makes sense, because we retain 80% of what we see and only 10% of what we hear. We often forget how important the acoustic environment is and how it influences our daily lives. Because if you're exposed to noise levels, your heart rate goes up, your blood pressure goes up, and of course that's not healthy. If you have, for example, a workspace environment with less noise and good acoustics, you make fewer mistakes, you are more creative and more productive. The acoustics of a room are mostly determined by the construction and the materials being used. Hard, smooth surfaces reflect all the sound waves, which make the room very reverberant, like this one. In this room, the sound waves are literally reflected. And this room is totally the opposite. In here you have a lot of soft, fluffy materials which will absorb all the sound waves. Every room in a building has its own acoustic requirements, mostly determined by the reverberation time. The less reverberant the room is, the lower the reverberation time. In this room, the reverberation time is 0.3 seconds, and that's quite low. So, we know about reflection, we know about absorption, but there's also something which is called diffusion. Mostly it's a material which doesn't absorb any sound, but it scatters the sound waves. And a very good example is this ocean of blue balls. Oh. Yes, why not? Always wanted to do this. So what I did just now, I turned off this microphone so that you can hear me speak in this room where you have hardly any sound absorption. Later I will do exactly the same in that room behind me, and then you will hear a clear difference, and when I'm in that room I will explain you why. So now when we are slowly moving from that room into this room over here, you can already hear the difference. People coming to this museum often wonder, why is it so different here? And that's because sound absorbing materials are added to the walls and the ceiling. Adding sound-absorbing materials enhances the speech intelligibility, which of course is very important if you record a video for social media. So let me give you some golden advice. Do you want to design buildings and interiors that look and sound amazing? It's all about the right balance between reflection, diffusion and absorption. So let me know what acoustic experience you had and how did this make you feel. Write it down in the comments, and the first 10 comments will get 2 free tickets to this fabulous museum. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.